Swanson. I've been challenged by Alexa Nano to do the ALS Bucket Challenge. Not only am I going to donate and do the Ice Bucket Challenge, but I will also donate to children who have autism, and I will also donate to people who have, donate to a foundation for people who have multiple sclerosis. And after this, I nominate James Guanzin, Austin Guanzin, and Enrique Diaz to do the Ice Bucket Challenge. I will.